I'm Vice President of Local 32BJ, and we're here today because we want Barclays Center to do the right thing by its workers. The workers here many of them started about 3 years ago, and they've been working hard to make Barclays Center a success. We all want Barclays Center to be successful, but the workers here have to also share in that success. We have to have a piece of that success. And what that means to us, and what that means to the workers here at Barclays Center, is they want a stable job with access to benefits. We know that this is an arena. We know that we have to work when there are events. But it doesn't mean that everyone should be denied health care. It doesn't mean that everyone should be denied some stable employment. And so we have been, in this fight, we have been saying to Barclays Center for the last 6 months, do the right thing. We think that we finally got to the table with Barclays Center, and we've had some very productive conversations, and we think that we can get there. But we have to keep the pressure on, because if we don't keep the pressure on, we won't get it done, and we won't achieve what we want to achieve here. So I want to acknowledge members from other buildings around downtown Brooklyn. We have members from, I think, 345 Adams. Woo! We have members from Long Island University. We have members from Metrotech here. We have members from Polytech here. Anybody from Polytech here? So we have a lot of our members. We have residential members from Brooklyn. Where's my Brooklyn people? We have residential members here, we have security members here, and of course we have our workers from Barclays Center here. And again, we have to keep the pressure on. The message is very clear. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. We deserve a piece of your success. We deserve a good job. We deserve to have benefits. And so that's what our fight is about. That's why we're here. And we're going to keep on fighting, and we're going to keep the pressure on until we win. I also want to acknowledge with us here today our representative from Assemblymember Mosley's office. Thank you for being with us. Representatives from State Senator Montgomery's office. And representative from Councilmember Cumbo's office. Thank you for supporting our union and supporting the workers here at Barclays Center. I have a special guest with us here today, Councilmember Espinal. He represents this area of Brooklyn. And he's going to say a few words.
Thank you, guys. I represent North Brooklyn, so I represent Bushwick and East New York, but I am a son of SEIU, and the reason I am where I am today is because SEIU provided my family with decent health care, provided my family with a decent wage, provided my family with scholarships for me to go to college, and that's something I never forget, and I know how important that is to every single family living in this borough and in this city. Now, when we approved Barclays Center, we approved it because of the jobs it would bring. And not only because of the jobs, because of the jobs, the quality jobs, the 32BJ jobs that they promised they would supply. And yes, they gave us that. But to hear that they're playing 3-card Monty and playing a little bit with the numbers to make sure that not everyone is benefiting from the health care insurance and from everything else that the union has to offer, it's just plain wrong. So what do we want? We want a decent negotiation at the table. So listen to us. Only 53 workers throughout their time working here are receiving health insurance out of the hundreds of workers who are working at Barclays Center. That's terrible. That's terrible, and that has to end today. So I stand with you, 32BJ, because we have to make sure that everyone in the city has a fair shot, especially when we're dealing with the affordable housing crisis, where people their rent, can't put food on the table. It's only right that people like Barclays Center are giving the people of this city the dollars and the health care they deserve. Thank you all. Appreciate it.